Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelley-ann Henry, and before I go any further, you know the business. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And please come over and join your girl. So as I have promised that I'm gonna do one video a week, here I am. So by the time you get this, which is today Sunday, so happy Sunday, you're gonna get it by Monday or Tuesday. Happy Monday, happy Tuesday, whatever day you get it. So today I'm not going to keep you too long because my husband is the one who's holding the camera for me and his little hands get tired quickly. So today I'm going to be talking about a topic that I hear somebody talking about, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to jump in and give my 2 cents. Now, as you know, my video is about living back in Jamaica, how I am finding life living back in Jamaica. Can't speak for nobody else, I'm speaking from my perspective. Now, there was a question that somebody asked another YouTuber. Why is it that Jamaicans are leaving Jamaica to go abroad? Because Jamaica is so pretty, Jamaica is so nice, right? Why is it that Jamaicans leave to go abroad? No, this is what I think why Jamaican leaves to go abroad. No, some of us, we want to go abroad because of the hype of life, right? We want to go wear gold chain, gold watch, and we want to go wear name brand Prada. You name all of those things because we watch celebrities and we are into those things and we want to wear those things, not knowing that celebrities only wear name brand brands because they're endorsed. They're being paid. So we want to go live those kind of high life, and we're not being paid to wear those things, right? But one of the greatest things I think why Jamaicans leave Jamaica to go and live abroad, being back in Jamaica and working in the system, it not nice. It not nice. It doesn't pay well. By the time you get your pay, there's not much that you can do with it. You can hardly find your way. It is almost impossible to work in Jamaica and to get a mortgage, even to buy a car, even to pay rent, even to buy the basic things which are food. No, Jamaica is pretty. Yes, we can grow our own stuff with yam, with banana, you name all of that. Yes, we can, but not everybody is living in a place where they can grow those things, or not every part of Jamaica is able to grow those things. Take for instance where I come from. Where I come from is very rural. It's Cherry District, Kidstone, that side. Anybody who know what I'm talking about know. And we are not that fruitful in certain things. We don't get rainfall a lot, so we're not able to grow certain things. So we still depend on going to the market to buy things. No, a lot of Jamaicans also leave Jamaica, as I said, about the workforce. Now, when you look at our teachers, so many teachers are leaving. I think last month or the month before, about 400 teachers quit their jobs. Now, working with children myself, I can see the demand and not enough help, and the pay not the day. Honestly, I work from 7:30 in the morning till 5, and I don't even pick up 100,000 at the end of the month. Like literally, if I didn't have my husband and stuff, I don't know how we would make it. And so these are some of the things that push people to go abroad. It's not that they don't know that Jamaica is nice. Yes, it's pretty. You have the white sandy beach and all of those things, but reality, when we live the reality, we know what the reality is. So those are some of the reasons why I think Jamaicans are quick to leave and go abroad. Also for education, some people leave to go and study, right? Because growing up in Jamaica, not a lot of us had the opportunity for education. We couldn't afford it. But when you go overseas, you can get into colleges and you can better yourself. That's one point why a lot of Jamaicans are leaving. Yes, some leave for the hype life, but most are leaving because they want a better life for themselves and their family. Now, for me, I know when I left Jamaica because I wanted something different. I wanted a different life. I grew up in a poor family. We struggle. I didn't do well in school. Go figure. I didn't do so well in school. I didn't have an high school education, not even a secondary education. I finished school at all age level. It was hard for me to get into school because I didn't have certain things, and I was dyslexic. I do struggle with dyslexia. So, and I didn't get the care that I needed in school. So when I thought of abroad, I thought, you know what, Jamaica is not going to work for me because Jamaica doesn't have what it takes to help me. But if I go overseas, I can get the help that I need, which I did. I think I learned a lot being overseas. I became more rounded or grounded, if you want to put. Raina come. So I'm gonna probably have to cut this video short. So those are some of the reason why, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to go abroad. Now I'm going to do another video on why Jamaican leave to go abroad, and I'll explain a little bit more about my journey going abroad and how I find it and what would I do differently go if I should go back. Knowing that I have children as well, what the things I would teach them as they go, what they should do so that they can build up themselves and one day return home to build up their country, land, Jamaica. So that's my 2 cents. As I said, there's so much. This is a broad topic. So if you have any questions and you want to hear more, just send it in the arena com. So I'm gonna have to cut my video short. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will do part 2 for you next week. Bye.